We're living in a very, very tough time for hospitality.
Margins are tight, salaries are going up every year, minimum wages are going up, food prices are going up.
People want great product and great service.
But yet, consumers, I think, are wanting their food for that little bit less.
There's more people opening up than we've ever seen before.
Everyone thinks it's so easy, but it really isn't.
I definitely have never worked so hard in my life.
Often I ask myself, why? Why go through the pain?
It's a job you do because you love it. You live and breathe it.
Having Kounta as the point of sale, which is in the middle of everything, is absolutely paramount for us being able to grow.
Kounta gives you so much flexibility for add-ons, for changes, for menu additions, and it's all very easy to set up.
Look, I'm a bit of a dinosaur, really, and I find Kounta intuitive as opposed to any other point of sale I've ever seen.
Kounta is very efficient, it's very easy. The menu system is quite easy. It doesn't take very long to put an order through.
I can check a report of Kounta now, and I'm in and out in less than 2 minutes.
Some of the data that comes out of there is just incredible.
At any given point, I know what's happening in my business, where I didn't have that clarity before.
As we grew, ordering became more complicated.
Walking around with an app on your phone where you can simply do a quick stock take and order, it just makes life a whole lot easier.
We support all information for all of our purchasing and all of our spends in one platform. And that's actually real-time updating your actual COGS for your actual products you're selling. You know exactly where you're sitting every single day. A major part of your business is always new product development, recipe costings, understanding batches, the raw ingredients, sub-recipes and everything. Kounta now gives it to you.
They want their POS to be at the heart of it, but are prepared to integrate with loads of other players.
We need a point of sale that integrates with our accounting system to streamline some of the day-to-day, not just labour components, but mistakes from manual entry.
We can run leaner in terms of our staff on the floor and in our kitchen spaces.
The support with Kounta has been great. We did store number 1 with Kounta support, and store number 2 we did over the phone with support, and store number 3 we did on our own.
There might have been 1 or 2 issues, but you know what? We picked up the phone and it was a real person on the other end of the phone who then logged in and talked us through the problem, and within 10 minutes we were up and running. I believe the most efficient way to run your business from a point of sale system and inventory is through Kounta.
I find it so easy to use. It's the one thing we don't have to worry about. It just allows us to concentrate on the actual important things.
What Kounta has done for us is give us the ability to actually own our data, own our reality, so therefore we can actually control our service and our growth.
There's no question. I did the research. You don't need to do it. That's where it's at.